All of you are welcome in this fourth session of English speaking course in Green Camp. Here, a very beautiful topic is for you: art, craft, artist, museum, art gallery. So, with question, some ideas are being provided by me. You are to amplify these ideas in your own words, in your own language. So let us start. It is not for zero level students. My first question: should art be made compulsory in schools? Reply: the basic knowledge of art should be taught in schools. For example, drawing, painting, craftwork on paper, wood, and cloths. This knowledge makes children aware about arts and crafts, and importantly, children with extraordinary skills can be identified at an early age. Next question: do you think creativity is given enough importance in school these days? Reply: unfortunately, most schools cannot give enough focus on creativity. This is because the curriculum is often too long for school management to complete in the term. In this situation, if they change their focus from syllabus to creativity, they may have to sacrifice with academic subjects and academic programs, which will not be appreciated by students and their parents. Next question: what do you understand by handicrafts? Handicrafts are the articles prepared by using skills like sewing, weaving, and carving on materials like cloth, paper, and wood. What is the importance of art in our life? Reply: art is an expression of our creativity, imagination, and skills. Art can help us in living a balanced life because it gives outer passage to our hidden energies and skills. Art is an essential part of our life. Next question: should artists be given freedom to express whatever they want? Reply: yes, I think artists should be given freedom of expression because creativity sees no boundaries. If we restrict the content of art, it loses its charm. However, there should be one condition: the creation should not hurt or harm anybody's personal, social, or religious emotions. Next question: what is more important, arts, commerce, or science, and why? Reply: each field has its own importance. Commerce is vital for our economy and business operations. Science is essential for better quality of life, comforts, and safety. Art is an important for our creativity, leisure, and expression. It is difficult to say which one is more important because each of them affects on different aspects of our life. Next question: should the government support artists, and why? Give reason. Government should support artists by giving them awards and certificates of honor. This is because artists maintain their interest in their art and keep excellent in it. Such honors from government help art to achieve great highlights of creativity, which can excise and increase the reputation of the country in the whole world. Next question: what skills are required in making crafts? Crafts do require some traditional skills like carving, sewing, weaving, knitting, and understanding of different types of raw materials that can be used in the preparation of their article. Apart from these, good knowledge of culture, religion, and history of the nation is also required so that artists express the same in their artwork. Next question. What do you think handicraft industry is facing survival problem? Reply. Handicraft is a traditional skill of few cultures in our country. Because of industrial and economic development, many of them shifted to big cities and accepted new professions to earn their livelihood. Moreover, the production process of handicraft is slower than machine used these days. All these factors obliged artisans to look for a different occupation. Thus, their knowledge did not pass to their next generations, which has reduced the number of artisans. Consequently, handicraft is showing signs of extinction in some regions. Next question. How can we preserve our handicraft? What should the government do for that? Reply. Government should take active interest in handicraft products and artists and artistic skills and artisans work. They should give subsidies to those who want to start commercial production of handicraft. Government should also organize exhibition of such products in different places of country. In addition, government should honor the artist whose work is extraordinary. All these actions attract others to pursue handicraft. As a result, the industry can grow in future. Next question. Should we promote our handicraft and art to foreigners? Yes or no? If yes, then why? Yes, we must promote our art and handicraft products to foreigners. This gives two major benefits. First, foreigners buy the product if they like it, which increases earning of the artist and foreign revenues to the government. Second, foreigners promote our art and craft to their countrymen when they go back to their country. This enhances the reputation of our country and also attracts more foreign visitors to our country. Next question. Should Indian artists perform in other countries? Reply. Indian artists should perform in other countries simply because they can generate a global recognition for our art and culture to foreign country. In addition, they can earn money from their shows. What is museum? Museum is a place where historical and antique articles are preserved for the people to see. The collection can be as old as a few hundred years to few thousand years. What is the importance of museum? Museum is a link between the past and the present. Museum holds the past in it for the people of present so that they can be in touch with their history. Next question. Should there be any entry fee to see museum? Yes, entry fee should be taken from visitors. It gives two benefits. First, it supports the maintenance of museum. That includes the security and expansion of the places. Second, people who come after paying fees behave responsibly because if we keep free entry, visitors often underestimate the importance and may behave casually in the museum. What is the future of museum? Reply. I believe that museum will be given higher importance in the future. The reason for this is current trend of global culture. Because of globalization, the whole world is moving towards identical culture. This may lead to the loss of many vernacular cultures and languages. Hence, people in future will intrigue in such things and at the time, evidence and the effects of extinct cultures will found in museum only. Thus, in future, we may require more museum to preserve rare articles. What is the difference between an art gallery and museum? An art gallery is an exhibition of the work of an artist. It can include painting, sculpture, carvings, and so on. Art galleries belong to those artists who are alive and who want to show or sell their artwork, specimen to people, whereas in museum we can find only historical or antique items. So these are some of ideas explained and amplified me. You can amplify these ideas in your own words, in your own language. अपने खुद की भाषा, खुद के शब्दों में, और अपने ही आगे और विचारों को आप ऐसे ज़्यादा फैलाएं, प्रस्तुत करें, सीखें। धन्यवाद।